Yeah. I'm saying what you saying, oh yeah, for. I'm not. Oh my God! Okay.
For many, this video is hard to watch. Who you see there is 24-year-old Micaiah Washington being hit with a stun gun by a reformed police officer while handcuffed and lying across a patrol car. The officer is on administrative leave. Good afternoon. Washington is out of the Pickens County Jail now on a $5,000 bond.
A felony charge for trafficking fentanyl was dropped and his bond reduced from $500,000. ABC 3340 Cynthia Gould spoke exclusively with Washington about this ordeal. Cynthia?
Pam, Washington says he is still shaken by the whole incident and cannot bear to watch that video. Washington said he was tased once before the video recording and fell to the ground. He explained he was on the side of the road at first, just changing a flat tire, when the reform officer pulled up and asked to see his ID. Washington says he complied and respectfully asked why he had to show his ID. He was doing nothing wrong. Washington told the officer he had a gun, which he was legally carrying, according to him. He says he had no drugs whatsoever. If it were not for this video, Washington believes he would still be in jail.
That video really traumatizing for real. Like, I can't watch that video. Like, I don't even like to really think about it, honestly. Like, all the Facebook posts and stuff. Like, I try to stay off social media.
I was heartbroken to see a young man like that, especially when he started crying. When you heard that, I think it broke everyone's heart to see the disbelief, the pain, the torture that he was enduring, to see how the officer seemed like she was enjoying it.
Washington and his attorney say that officer should be fired.
Cynthia, though, what is next with the criminal charges that are still against Washington?
Attorney Maxwell says the 3 remaining charges should all be dropped. This was not a legal arrest. There was no resisting arrest. He is also pushing to have that officer charged with assault and does plan to file a civil lawsuit.
Cynthia Gould reporting.